Hi, it's Filo. Welcome back to my channel. When I was younger, I loved journaling in my diary, and that's something I wanted to get back to. Not only for planning, but also to write my reflections and as a form of personal development. So I bought the cheapest cover I could find in a traveler size. So it's obviously not the best quality, but it will do while I figure out what I want and how I really want to journal. I like that you can add any kind of inserts you want, and then you can change things up as you go. So for the first insert, I chose a dotted paper in this kind of off-white tone. The paper is not as thick as in my bullet journal or my reading journal, but it's just to write, so I really don't care. And then I'm adding another insert with plain white paper. This one came with the pink cover, and I'll use it as a sketchbook on the go. I'm used to very nice notebooks, and I don't really like that the paper is stapled, but at the same time I think that using very simple things takes the pressure off. Here you can see the layers of the cover. Not sure it will hold up really well, but it was like €4 I think, so it will do, and I won't mind taking it around with me. So now you know me, I need to decorate it a bit and make it mine. I want something very simple, minimal, to keep the pressure off, and something I really want to take with me every day, a diary that makes me want to write in it every day. I'm just doing a quick collage with papers, pictures and washi tapes. I'm stamping journal on the cover and adding a butterfly. And now with the little sketchbook, I'm doing a collage in the same style. As much as I enjoy bullet journaling and creating new themes every month, I also enjoyed creating simple collages in these notebooks without any need to do anything specific, any theme or any style, just, what I felt like and what I wanted to do at that time. And that's it, the setup is already done, and now I just have to use it. I had to wait for the next day though, because I didn't have time. I'm starting by stamping the date and adding a little sticker just so that I don't have to deal with an empty page. And I'm taking out my new fountain pen with this cute little star. So I just started writing what I want to do with this notebook, why I want to journal, and basically just enjoy little things like taking the time to sit peacefully and reflect about the day, and even just enjoy writing with a fountain pen. I kept adding stickers here and there because I can't help myself and I had no intention to doodle, but then on the third day I think, we saw little deers and I had to doodle them. So I think it's working because I don't feel any pressure at all, and somehow that makes me want to doodle more, and my creativity is kind of over the roof. Like, I know those are just little collages and doodles, but they make me really happy. So in these few days I've been journaling, I've been trying different form of journaling, like simply writing about my day or reflecting about things I had on my mind. I also wrote what I'm grateful for. You know, like I've been experimenting a bit of everything. Oh, and I've even been using prompts here and there. So yeah, I don't have a specific system for now, but I'm in no rush. And now let's flip through this new journal. So if you keep a diary, I would love to read you in the comments. Leave me your advices and recommendations. I'll see you soon in another video, and until then, enjoy journaling